here we go. Bulletproof traders, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wednesday today, and we have our crypto market watch list on the menu today. And I'm going to talk about multiple pending trading opportunities that we have right now on our watch list. The watch list itself is completely bullish. All right, that doesn't mean that our current conviction on the market is bullish. It's just those levels, right? Those trigger levels, the if are going to be broken or crossed, then it's a different story. It's a game changer. And that's our gateway to the next bullish conviction. But for now, at least short term, we're still bearish. All right, so bear with me, because we have a short position on the Ethereum, on the Ripple, even on the Bitcoin, very small trades, small positions. But let me go over the upside potential, because that's what this video is all about, watch list. So I'm going to start with the Ripple. The key level you want to write down if you haven't already is 213.30. You can see why, right? It's capping price action. It's capping that positive momentum we've had last week. It broke it. It broke that positive momentum. And this week you can see price action is still struggling to cross over. The fact that it been failed to do so last week and even this week, right off the bat, it was trying to drill through, suggests that there's more downside potential. I don't think it's going to go far, but I do believe it will go some way, right? Some distance, and eventually will turn around and start to break to 1330 here. Once it does, that's our moment to shine. That is our moment, and we're going to be establishing a bullish campaign chasing 266.56. So that's Ripple, right? That's one. Two. Second, take a close look on the Ethereum, because in the minute it breaks back above, right now it's drilling through 1671. I don't think it's going to be breaking it. I don't think it's going to be breaking it. I think it's going to continue flirting around, potentially going deeper a little bit, but before the end of the month coming back up. Once it does establish itself above 1671, that's our cue. All right, that's going to be our cue to establish a bullish conviction, which is going to be long term. All right, all the way up to 36.30, because we have that trading range. Right? We have 1, 2, 3. I see the next one, 4, coming back up. 100% of potential return is going to be. So keep an eye on that 1671 level that's right now being breached. But I don't think that's the end of it. We haven't seen the end of it yet. For the Bitcoin, the level is 84,475. We've talked about that level multiple times before. And here, this is the same case, right? It's amazing how they're all aligned with the cross price matrix in the cross price matrix space. They're all aligned perfectly. Each with its own setup. That's why it's cross price matrix, right? Because that's exactly what that's how we build our case. Let's put it this way. So with the Bitcoin situation, right? You can see rejection from 84,475 a couple of weeks ago. It was basically, pushing itself off that level on the downside. Price action came back up, tried to cross back above, failed last week. This week, right off the bat, tried to drill through. Now it's pulling back, right? It's bouncing off. So it's getting a second rejection, a third rejection, if you will, actually. So I do see the downside potential all the way back to 73,500. This is the level we started off with. We said price action has the downside potential to reach 73,500. It didn't get there yet. It got really close, but it didn't really get there yet. So I see that downside potential. But if it will break above 84,475, preferably with a weekly close confirmation, that's a different story. And then we're going to be starting chasing the north. Yeah. So that's the third one. Fourth one would be, Chainlink. Right now trading below 1243. Keep an eye on 1243. Take a look. Monthly chart right now. The close is below. There is no close yet, but right now closing price, floating closing price is below. By the end of the month, pulling back up above 1243, and from that point forward, there's a lot of potential for an upside reversal all the way up to 1665. Last one I want to mention, Bitcoin Cash. Huge, very wide trading range. This is how it looks like from the monthly perspective. We have 1, 2, 3. I don't think the third leg is done. I think it's going to go a little bit lower. But here, a break above 378, that is the trigger. We're not close. It's not imminent. But I'm just saying, keep an eye on 378.2 for a breakout, and then we're going to be chasing 612, well, almost 613 on the way up, because we have 1, 2, 3. At some point, price will start to build up the fourth leg coming back up. I don't think that's quite the timing for it right now, but it's coming. All right, so that's the watch list, guys. I want to have a quick segue to our live performance report for the day. Let's take a close look at that. All right, guys, here we go. Check this out. A quick update on our performance, our real live verified performance. We're talking about Profision, of course. This is our hedge fund that we engage in a daily activity, and of course share on our members area, as you know. So we managed to cross above the 50% mark, right? That's last time, a couple of days ago, we were very close, but we managed to push through, and now we're above 50%, so that's cool. As far as the month goes, we had 2.7, and now we're up to 3.46, right in the middle of the month of April. So we have a couple of weeks more to go. We'll see how this is going to unfold. But that's pretty much a quick look to our Profision trading results, real live, and verified by MyFX book. Don't forget, always ask for a verified real live trading account as a proof for professionalism, right? You gotta have that. You gotta have that, guys. All right, have a nice day. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.